Welcome to 25 Juniper Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in Pittsboro, North Carolina. We have pond views. We've got new granite, new carpet, and some other upgrades inside. Let's go inside and take a look. We're on the front porch, and as you can see, it's a good-sized front porch. Great place to hang out on a warm evening. We'll come inside and we enter into the great room. We've got vaulted ceiling in here with ceiling fan, but there's lots of space here. Over there to the left are the bedrooms. There is a coat closet right here. Let's take a good look. Got a couple of windows on either side of the gas log fireplace, a mantle, bricks around, but just terrific open space here. As you can see, plenty of room for a large couch, coffee table. Right here is the door to the garage, and then over here we have dining and kitchen. There are engineered wood floors in here, and these homeowners have recently upgraded the granite in the kitchen. We've got stainless steel appliances, a nice window over this large single bowl sink looking out over the deck, and you can see the pond. Take another look. There's a pantry right there, and then here is your laundry, conveniently located right here near the kitchen. Right here in the dining area, you have got the door that leads out onto the deck, which we will take a look at in just a couple of minutes. So now we'll take a look at the bedrooms. The bedrooms in the hall have new carpeting. The master is right here to the right. It is a really good sized room. We've got a ceiling fan in here, 2 windows, plenty of room in here, as you can see, for a king size bed and several dressers. It has its own private bath with tile floors and a oversized tub with a tile surround, single bowl vanity. And then we have a walk-in closet right here. From this room, we'll go back out into the hall. And we have bedroom number 2 right here on the front of the house. It gets terrific natural light. Got the closet right there. It's got a ceiling fan with a light. Right next to that is bedroom number 3, also on the front of the house, also with a ceiling fan with a light. It also gets terrific light, and there is a good double door closet right there. We have a linen closet directly across from that. And finally, we have the hall bathroom, which has a tub shower combo and a single vanity. We have now come out onto the deck from the door leading from the dining area, and as you can see, there's plenty of room out here for a table that seats 4 with an umbrella, and this really cool cooking station that's been set up for the big green egg here. Take another look. Overlooking the backyard, there's the shed right there, and as you can see, as mentioned before, pond views. The pond is fenced off, so you can't just get into it, so that's a good safety measure. So let's go down into the backyard and take a look from down there. And we're now down in the backyard, close to the fence where the pond is, and we're going to swing around. You can see the shed, the fire pit, and the back of the house. Again, this is 25 Juniper Court in Pittsboro, North Carolina.